The next convergence test we'll look at is called the root test. We're going to consider the series a sub k, and we're going to let rho be equal to the limit as k goes to infinity of the kth root of a sub k. This will converge if our value of rho is between 0 and 1. It diverges if rho is greater than 1. And it's inconclusive if rho is equal to 1. So our conditions for convergence, divergence, and inconclusive are the exact same as our ratio test. The only thing that's different is how we actually come up with this value. The ratio test, we took ratios. The root test, we're going to take the kth root. So let's look at some examples. The first one, the sum from 1 to infinity of 3k squared plus 2 over 9k squared minus 4, all to the kth power. So our ratio test says we want to look at the limit as k goes to infinity of the kth root of this series, 3k squared plus 2 over 9k squared minus 4, all to the k power. The root and the k power are going to cancel each other out, so now I have the limit as k goes to infinity of 3x squared plus 2 plus 9k squared plus minus 4. Since I have a k squared on the top and the bottom, then I'm just going to look at the coefficients of each, 3 over 9, or 1/3, which is less than 1, so this converges. My next one, the sum from 1 to infinity of 5 to the k over k to the 4th. Well, I still want to look at the root, so I have the limit as k goes to infinity of the kth root of 5k over k to the 4th. Simplifying this, the kth root of 5 to the k is 5, and on the bottom, I'm going to rewrite this as the kth root of k to the 4th power. And the limit of the kth root of k, as k goes to infinity, is 1. This is a well-established limit. So this is 5 over 1 to the 4th, which is just 5. Since 5 is bigger than 1, we know that this diverges. Finally, let's look at 1 over k squared. And by the p-series test, we know that this thing should converge. But let's try to do it with the root test. We have the limit as k goes to infinity of the kth root of 1 over k squared. Simplifying this, I have 1 over the kth root of k squared. We know the kth root of k tends towards 1, so this is 1 over 1 squared, which is 1. So while we know this series converges using other tests, according to the root test, it is inconclusive.